There are a couple considerations in terms of what the house is like, how do I actually get my gas line to where I'm going. Most masonry fireplaces usually have a clean out that you can run a gas line up through, but sometimes you may have to drill a hole or make an actual access to get the gas line into the opening. And then the other side of that is the loading of the house, right? So how many BTUs are you already running in the house, and how many more BTUs are you adding with the fireplace? So you have that tankless hot water heater or the pool heater or one of these really high BTU items kick on. And now that line that you thought was good enough for that insert no longer is good enough because you're drawing too many BTUs on the other line. So make sure that the line is loaded properly for the amount of BTUs that you have in the whole house, not just for the new appliance.